Quick video. It's been 3 weeks after, or 3 weeks to 4 months after repotting my citrus trees, and the result is not bad at all. I have some new growth on the stems of my citrus. I've just watered them a bit. They look very good. I'm feeding them with 615 fertilizer. This one is on its way, but it has very little growth on it at all. But I can see there's some buds forming there, but the rest of them has all of this new growth, and we're now heading into spring in a month's time. So these leaves are damaged because I bought them on a sale, and yeah, so it's looking very good. I still need to plant this one out into the ground. This peach will not be going into a pot. But if you look at these citrus, they look very, very nice, and I have very high hopes for them. It actually looks as if these will be flower buds. So I'm not sure yet if I'll cut those off to promote growth and not the creation of fruit, so that it would settle well. I'm still thinking of what I will do regarding cutting the blooms or not. But otherwise, it's looking good. Let's get an overview. Now looking at this citrus that I've planted like 2 years ago. It's on its way, it's blooming. I've cut down a few of these blooms, but the rest I will leave now so that I can get a nice harvest in December. So it's going very well with the citrus, and I think we will get a few lemons this season out of the citrus. I want to try air rooting some of these. I can't remember what you call it, but you put some ground here, and you break it down, and then it will start forming roots on the plants. I'll add up the name of this type of method because it is good practice to cut the leaves that is growing inwards, the branches growing inwards. So rather than cutting them, I'd like to make some rootings of them, and then I have some extra citrus plants. So yeah, all looking good and well.